My country people, why is Ekene Umenwa hiding her baby's face? Ever since this woman gave birth to her baby girl, we the internet people never see the face of this baby. Abi then get waiting then they hide. Abeg make una show us this baby, make we see if she is fine. Bob people, I know say na wetin una go dey talk. Seriously, I like the way Ekene Umenwa and her husband is hiding this baby's face. If she post am now, una go start to dey talk say the girl dey ugly, oh, this one happen, that one happen. I just like the way they keep the child out of all this internet drama, cause people no get joy. Anytime they post this pikin, all this never to do well people, just watch comment section. Una go believe with me, say this is the best choice. Hiding this baby's face is the best choice this couple made. Seriously. So all these people where they talk say make they show the baby's face, make I tell una they no go show am. But from angles this baby girl go fine. Look at now, see skin like milk. Hello.